friends, my name is Minhui. How are you today? Well, today I'm going to be talking about cleaning supplies. Well, let's see. What are cleaning supplies? Well, cleaning supplies are things that we use while we're cleaning our home. Yeah, well, that's it. Let's go and look at cleaning supplies. First, we have a feather duster. It is a duster that makes up from a lot of feather. You can see, let me bring you a feather duster to you. Okay, so here we have is a feather duster. It will have feathers a lot around, and we'll use them to clean things around here. Yeah, that is a feather duster. Okay, next. Okay, so I'm here again. Next we have is an oven cleaner. Well, an oven cleaner is a special kind of it is a special type of liquids that when we put it inside our oven, we spray it inside the or oven. We use a mop to to clean it, then it will be really clean by this oven cleaner liquid. Well, an oven cleaner is a liquid that made out of really special things together. It helps us to clean the oven. Next is rubber glove. They are the gloves that are made out of rubbers. Usually they can be reused again. Like we just wash them up and then we use them again. And they wouldn't become like plastic gloves. They become like we would throw them anytime when we have finished using them, but we can reuse them. Well, kind of like if we're working at something that's pretty dirty, or kind of like if we're washing our clothes by our hand, and we are afraid that our hand would become like not really beautiful or it hurts our hand, we would usually wear on rubber gloves to protect our hands. Yeah. Next is bone mop. Well, this is a special kind of mop that we have a sponge on it. We would clean the floor by the sponge mop. Okay? Next is bucket, or we can call them pail. A lot of people using bucket more than pail. Yeah. Well, bucket or pail, I'll call them bucket. It's a kind of like thing that we use to put things inside. That's right, and usually look pretty colorful. We can put many different things inside of it. Like if for some house, they use them to put in dirt. You know, kind of like if they want to plant trees inside. Yeah, some people use buckets to plant trees inside too. Some others use to put in waters. Yeah, that's right. So, that is bucket. Next, we have a steel wood pad. Well, a wool pad, a steel wool pad, it's just kind of like something that's made out of pretty hard steel, but not really hard. We use them to clean our dish. Usually my mom would use those to clean the dish, or sometimes she would also use it to clean things around. So that's the steel wood pad. Next is furniture polish. Kind of like if we want to polish the furniture around, we'll absolutely need to have a furniture polish. This is a special type of liquid. When we spray it on the furniture, it will help us to polish the furniture. That's kind of like makes the furniture to be pretty more polished, looks more modern. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just like that. Next is rack. Rack is a thing kind of like. It's usually made out of pieces of cloth, right? Yeah, we would use them to clean things around. Or for some people, they would use to clean those floors where it's a little bit dirty. Yeah, next is vacuum cleaner. We use a vacuum cleaner to clean up a lot of things. We can use them to clean in any places, like on a sofa or on the walls, even on a blanket. Yeah, or maybe on the rock too. So vacuum cleaner is just kind of like a cleaner that when we vacuum it, when we use it, it will help us. First, it will take out all the dust around, and sometimes it will also clean some kind of small trash around too. For those, we call it vacuum cleaner. Next is step ladder. It is a ladder that is just kind of like usual, but when we don't use it, we would set it into a flat ladder like this, so that we kind of like we won't use it anymore. And when we open it, it's just kind of like a triangle, yeah, like this, that have two parts of stairs. Yeah, so we call it a step ladder. Next is glass cleaner. We use it to clean the glass. Like if you see your mom use dough, spray on the glass, like on the mirror's surface, you can see that it will be kind of like really was cleaner. Yeah, that's right. Next we have is broom and dustpan. Broom can have in many different styles for me. Yeah, kind of like we have a broom that is kind of like make out firm, and we use them to clean up like dust or things that can be really easy to be blown up. So we would use a broom and a dustpan when we are brooming, yeah, when we are sweeping the floor. And then we have a part of trash here, we would sweep it inside the dustpan. Kind of like if we're cleaning something, we absolutely use a dustpan to sweep inside all of the dust or trash. Then we can just pour trash into the garbage bin. Yeah. Next is cleanser and sponge. We can use a cleanser or a sponge. We can add them together to clean things around. Yeah. Next we have a scrub brush, a dishwashing liquid. We use dishwashing liquid to clean the dishes around us, right? Next is dish towel. It is a towel that we use to clean the dish, kind of like. After we have finished washing the dish, it will be pretty wet. So we use these dish towels to make them dry. Yeah. Next is trash bag and newspaper. A trash bag is a pack that if we have trash around, right, we'll probably throw it inside a trash bag. Well, when the trash bag was kind of being filled, we could make it into a bag and then throw it outside in the trash pile. Yeah, that's right. So that's trash bags. So you can see there's a lot of cleaning supplies that help us while we're cleaning around. So they really does help it in working right. Imagine if we don't have these kind of cleaning supplies, then we can't have works being finished fast, and it will be all dirty over. It wouldn't be clean like when you're using these. So cleaning supplies are really important things in your life. Well, that's all. See you.